Hi guys, and today I have for you October's lucky winner. So please stay tuned to the end to see if you are our lucky winner. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And yes, you heard right, the time of the month is here. Today we will be revealing October's lucky winner. So let's do a little quick recap of the products that the lucky winner will be receiving. And for everybody that entered, as you guys know, October's giveaway was actually the box that I received from BOXYCHARM. So I will be revealing from my pamphlet, reading from my pamphlet all the products that the lucky winner will be receiving. And I also will be including my little pamphlet in the actual package that I will be mailing out, so you guys could be exactly 100% sure that you are receiving everything from BOXYCHARM. So guys, the first product the lucky winner will be receiving, as you guys remember, it is GLAMGLOW YOUTHMUD Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. This baby right here. Next product is the from Half Cake, Best Friends Forever In Bloom Plus Duo Fiber Brush Set. Next product is the GEORGETTE KLINGER Marula Primer. Next, we have the Pinky Rose Cosmetic Multi-Use Makeup Base Stick. And the last product the lucky winner will be receiving, it is the M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge Set. So guys, with that being said, now let's go to our trusty computer. So guys, here we are at our trusty computer at the program that we love using is our YouTube random comment picker. So now we will be going to our video where we will be copying. There we go. Now we will be going back to YouTube comment picker where we will be pasting. There we go. As you guys know, we only allow one entry, so we will be filtering out the duplicates. And for this one, as you guys remember, I just wanted you to share one good or bad experience that you had on your vacation. So we will go right ahead and get our YouTube comment generator number. So we have 34 entries for this giveaway. Now let's see who is our lucky winner. And our lucky winner is Carla Saula. And she wrote, "Hey, Kelsey, damn girl, it's about time you came back." Thank you, love. Pleasure to be back. You've been missed. My experience with a horrible road trip. I was moving and my cat was in the carrier backseat basket. Well, it was all good until she had to go number 2. Oh my God. The smell was horrendous. So I had to pull over and clean up everything. What a nightmare. Well, Carla, I've been there too with animals, not cats, but I have different animals, and I know it is a problem. But anyway, girl, it is good that you got over that one. Congratulations for winning this giveaway. This is a BOXYCHARM giveaway. So congratulations to Carla Saula. So congratulations again to our lucky winner, Carla Saula. I hope I am pronouncing her name right because you guys know how I am with pronunciations. Congratulations again for being the winner of our BOXYCHARM giveaway. The next step for you is to please contact me at AllwaySunshine.com so I could get all these lovely beauties your way. Guys, as Miss Carla did mention in her message, I know I've been a little bit slow in uploading videos, but the reason is because we do have a lot of projects related to this channel. One of them being, and get ready for this, guys, finally, I will be having my merch store online within the next few weeks. So please bear with me. That is where you guys could get all these lovely jewelries that I wear. I know a lot of you have been asking me, and finally the task is here. So like I said, within 1 to 2 weeks, that baby will be up. Guys, also saying, please do not forget to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram because I will be posting images of the goodies that will be for you to purchase at the merch store. So I am Kelsey. Lots of love to everybody. Again, congratulations to our lucky winner. For you guys that didn't get to win, don't worry. You guys know we are a monthly giveaway channel. We are working In our November giveaway, currently as we speak, behind the scenes, we are working, picking out what we will be giving our lovely viewers. So guys, I am Kelsey. See you in the next one. And please do not forget these 2 videos.